How to use scheduled transactions in YNAB. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are signed in to your account. Once you are on the home screen, tap on the plan option from the bottom bar. This is where you will see your categories and recent transactions. To create a scheduled transaction, tap on the plus transaction button. Enter the details for your transaction, including the payee, category, account, and amount. Next, instead of saving it right away, look for the Never Repeat option with the shuffle icon. Tap on it to choose how often you want the transaction to repeat. For example, daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, or other. If it's a recurring bill like rent or a subscription, select outflow as the transaction type. For regular income such as your salary, set it to inflow. You can also add a note for reference or adjust the date if the payment doesn't always occur on the same day. Once everything looks good, tap Save. YNAB will automatically record these transactions based on your schedule, keeping your budget up to date without you having to enter them manually each time. Now you know how to use scheduled transactions in YNAB. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.